Another inbuilt capability in Excel is the ability for Excel to read to you. This may sound strange, but it actually is very useful. It makes use of the text-to-speech engine that actually exists in Microsoft. So for example, here I've got a whole bunch of salespeople, dates, and their numbers, their sales. If you just want to check that it has been captured correctly, so you want someone or something to read these out to you so you can check on your manual list, what you can do is you can highlight some numbers like that, and I'll show you how to do it just now, but for now we're just going to switch on the text to speech.
28,359.71 to 416.67.
So what you can see is Excel will read them out to you, and depending how you highlight it, it'll just go from one to another and read them out to you. It's actually pretty good with words as well. So if you ever write something and you just want to check if it makes sense, so you'll see here we've got lots of errors built in. I'm going to switch it on.
Text-to-speech let us exclusively read out the contents of a cell to you. Useful if you want to check whether you have captured input data correctly and have no one to read it out to you.
So you'll have noticed that Excel was spelled badly. It said let us. We had a double 2 here. So it's quite useful to have it read to you, because often if you read this back, your eyes just skip over your errors. In order to use it, it's not really available in any of these ribbons as a standard. So we've put it up here in our quick access toolbar. So for you to find it, you just go up here somewhere, right click on it, click on the customize quick access toolbar. And you'll see there's a section for popular commands, commands not in the ribbon. We're just going to go straight to all commands. And if you go down, it's called speak cells, so it's under the S's. So if we go all the way down here, you'll see there's something called speak cells. So if I want to add it, I could click there. Ours is already in. I also recommend you take the stop speaking cell so you can control when it's on and off. And there's a couple of other options. Speak cells by columns, by rows, by enter. Once it's up there, then it's just a case of highlighting whatever you want to use and
SP007. SP.
Just be aware that this is a Microsoft thing, so it's not an Excel thing. So you can change the voice, you can change the speed at which the person reads, but that's done in Windows under your control panels.